Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to open or find the device manager in Windows 11 operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. There are some situations that we need to know the that we need to know what devices connected in our computer. So we need to open device manager. In Microsoft Windows 11, there are two ways to open our device manager. By using our mouse, we move in this icon, the start icon represented by a window, and then we may click this one, and then the type search here we can type device manager. Okay, it will display here, and click this one to open. Okay, so we have here the device manager, no? So we have the battery, camera, integrated Bluetooth, etc. Okay, that is the first method. The second method is go to the icon again, the start menu represented by the window. Right click your mouse and then select device manager. Click that one, it will display also the device manager. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to open device manager in Windows 11 operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.